Have you ever noticed a tiny notch at the neck of your tooth sharp, sensitive, and getting deeper every year? Most people think it's caused by brushing too hard, but what if I told you the real reason is something far more surprising? And it's happening every single time you bite down. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could stop tooth sensitivity and prevent thousands of dollars in dental work. Know that zing of pain when cold water hits your teeth? That aching throb when you brush near your gums? Or the way floss gets caught in that little groove? Those are early signs of a condition called abfraction. Once the damage begins, it does not grow back on its own. Here's the scary part. Most people ignore these notches for years, until one day their dentist says the words we all dread: you'll need a filling, maybe even a crown, and the cost. A simple bonding can run you $150, $300, a crown, $1,200, and if the tooth fractures, well, that price jumps fast. But here's the good news. Today, I'm going to give you real, dentist-approved ways to stop abfraction from getting worse methods. You can start today with tools you already have at home. Let's bust a couple of big myths that keep people stuck. Myth 1. It's caused only by brushing too hard. Wrong. Aggressive brushing can damage enamel. But abfraction is primarily caused by stress forces on your teeth, not just your toothbrush. Myth 2. Nothing can be done until the notch gets big. Dangerously wrong. Waiting for the problem to worsen only allows the enamel to crack deeper, which increases sensitivity and can lead to complete tooth fracture. Because if you think brushing is the only cause, you'll ignore the real force behind abfraction. The damage will continue even if you switch to the softest brush. Ignoring abfraction means more pain, more cost, and more complicated treatment later. So what is abfraction? To put it simply, when you bite, chew, clench, or grind, your teeth flex like a tiny spring. Not much, but enough that over time, the pressure concentrates near the neck of the tooth, right where enamel is thinnest. Analogy 1. The paperclip bend a paperclip back and forth. It doesn't break in the middle. It breaks at the same weak spot every time. Your teeth act the same. The flexing forces break down one concentrated point. Analogy to a tree in the wind. A tree bends at the base. Your tooth bends at its base. The gumline. Analogy 3. Cracking a plastic ruler pressed down on both ends of a plastic ruler. It flexes. Now imagine that happening thousands of times every day. Over the years, the enamel at the gumline begins to chip, flake, and notch away. This is abfraction, a mechanical breakdown, not an infection or decay. Remedies walk through what happens if nothing changes. Stage 1. Minor discomfort, a tiny V-shaped groove. Slight cold sensitivity, easy to ignore. Stage 2. Worsening sensitivity, brushing hurts. Cold drinks sting. Enamel thins. Stage 3. Structural damage. The notch gets deeper. Your tooth becomes vulnerable to cracks. Stage 4. Catastrophic outcome. The tooth can fracture vertically, leading to a crown, a root canal, or worst case, extraction and implant cost. $3,000, $6,000 per tooth. This is why catching abfraction early is critical. Tip 1. Switch to a 2-finger pressure brushing technique. This protects your gum line and prevents further enamel stripping. How to do it? Hold your toothbrush using only 2 fingers. Place the bristles at a 45 angle to your gum line. Use tiny circular motions, no scrubbing. Brush each section for 10 seconds. Total brushing time, 2 minutes. You physically cannot apply damaging force with just 2 fingers. Tip 2. Nighttime clenching relief routine. 3 minutes reducing nighttime pressure reduces abfraction dramatically. Step-by-step routine. Place a warm towel on your cheeks for 30 seconds. Massage your jaw joints right in front of your ears in circular motions for 20 repetitions. Drop your jaw gently and say "ah" for 10 seconds. Place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth and let your jaw hang. Hold for 30 seconds. Repeat this sequence 3 times. This reduces clenching and grinding forces that worsen abfraction. Use a toothpaste with 5% potassium nitrate. Apply a precise amount directly into the notch. Let it sit for 60 seconds, then spit. Do not rinse. This strengthens enamel and reduces pain. If you learned something new today, hit that like button so more people can stop abfraction before it's too late. Comment below and tell me, do you have sensitivity near the gum line? And don't forget to subscribe for more dentist-backed, easy-to-understand oral health videos.